teach you how to crochet a little heart. 4 strands of cotton yarn and a 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. Start with a magic ring. Then crochet 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then crochet 3 treble crochets. One, 2, 3. Then 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochets followed by a chain. Then 8 treble crochets. Then a chain. Then 3 double crochets after the chain stitches. Three done, then 3 treble crochets. One, 2, 3. Then 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then make a slip stitch inside the ring. Okay, stretch the loop. Then start the second round. Three chain stitches. 1 to 3. Then in the position of the first treble crochet, a single crochet, a half double crochet, one half double crochet, after ticking, the next 3 stitches are half double crochet increases. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 3 half double crochets. One, 2, The third one is crocheted at the chain stitch position, so it's not easy to crochet. Then 1 chain. Then crochet a double crochet. After the double crochet, make a chain, then 3 half double crochets. One, 2, 3. Then 3 half double crochet increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last stitch, crochet a half double crochet. Crochet a short hook with the same hook. Then 3 chain stitches, 1 to 3. A slip stitch in the ring. Then you can cut the yarn. Hide the yarn behind your back. Then tighten the ring. Then tie a knot with the 2 yarns. And then a small heart is completed.